Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. We are Jennifer and Jessica, and we are twin sisters who love to share everything hair and beauty related. So if you're interested in that kind of content, kindly hit the subscribe button and keep watching. Hi guys, so today we'll be sharing with you guys 3 ways we use Moringa for maximum hair growth. Moringa has been a big part of our hair growth journey so far, so we'll be sharing with you guys 3 different ways we actually use it. The first way we use Moringa is as a hair tea. For our hair tea, we paired Moringa with another Ayurvedic hair growth giant, which is FENUGREEK. These 2 potent ingredients will nourish your hair, promote hair growth, grow back bald patches, and reduce hair fall. The method of applying Moringa plays an important role in enhancing its advantages.
You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak my mind. Oh.
The shelf life of this Moringa hair tea is 5 to 7 days, and it should strictly be kept refrigerated. The hair tea can be used 1 to 2 times a week. It can also be used as a leave-in treatment like this, or as a hair mask that is eventually rinsed out.
You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak my mind. Oh.
In order to use this hair tea, you need to apply the hair tea properly. It will be best to section your hair in 4 or more. Proceed to spray the Moringa hair tea on the body of your hair, but it can also be massaged into your scalp. This would make your hair slightly damp, but you do not need to rinse it out. You can then seal that moisture in with a hair oil. Our hair oil of choice is of course our Moringa hair oil, which pairs perfectly with this hair tea. The second way that we use Moringa is by making our Moringa hair growth oil. This oil consists of just 5 ingredients that are very potent on their own, but even better when combined. These ingredients are pretty common in the Ayurvedic space and quite easy to get your hands on. The ingredients are 1 tablespoon of Moringa, 1 tablespoon of fenugreek seeds, 1 tablespoon of amla powder, 1 tablespoon of hibiscus flowers, and lastly 1 tablespoon of rosemary leaves. All of these have already been put into this jar. Now it's time to just add the carrier oils. Now for the carrier oils, we'll be using 50 ml of extra virgin olive oil. Then we're going in on another 50 ml of pure almond oil. And then lastly 50 ml of pure castor oil.
You're chilling when the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're chilling when the rain. You're some kind of butterfly.
Once your oils are added in, mix everything in and then proceed to double boil on low heat for about 20 minutes.
You're chilling when the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're chilling when the rain. You're some kind of butterfly.
After double boiling and once your mixture has cooled down, you can now strain out the oil. A clean wig cap or cheesecloth can be used to do this. Now your hair growth oil is ready for use. You can refer to these 5 ingredients as a powerful combination because these are packed with a variety of holistic nutrients and vitamins to transform your hair. For application of this oil, you can apply using the oil dropper and gently massage this oil into your scalp. The oil can also be applied on the body of your hair and worked through from your scalp to your ends. It can also be applied every 2 to 3 days. The third way we use moringa is by making our viral moringa butter. This is one of our favorite recipes of all time and it is now a favorite for you guys. The first ingredient we'll be adding in our moringa hair butter is raw shea butter. We'll be using about 5 tablespoons of raw unscented shea butter.
You're chilling when the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby,
The second ingredient we use for this hair butter is Moringa powder. We will also be using 2 tablespoons of Moringa powder.
You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind.
The third ingredient we'll be using in this hair butter is cloves. We'll be using just 1 tablespoon of cloves. And the fourth ingredient we'll be using in this hair butter are rosemary leaves. We'll be using just 1 tablespoon of rosemary leaves.
Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite.
We'll then be adding a heaped tablespoon of sulfate. This is highly optional, but we just actually like this addition. And lastly, we'll be adding 100 ml of extra virgin olive oil. Once you have all your ingredients in the jar, now it's time to double boil it to infuse. Once your mixture has cooled down, it's now time to strain it. You need to strain the oil and then transfer your mixture into a clean jar or plastic to store your hair butter. Once you have your mixture in its container, you can place your mixture into the fridge or freezer overnight in order for your hair butter to solidify. By the next day, our hair butter was fully formed and ready to be used. This hair butter is perfect for slow hair growth. It's perfect if you have any balding patches, if you suffer from alopecia, if you have dandruff, you suffer from dry scalp, psoriasis, hair breakage, brittle hair, and even hair thinning. In order to use this hair butter, you can apply it by parting your hair into sections, about 2 to 4 sections. It can then be applied directly onto the scalp and massaged in. It also can be applied on the body of your hair. This hair butter can be used 1 to 2 times a week. So guys, these are the 3 ways we have used Moringa to grow our hair over the past year, and we have seen tremendous results. Do try out these recipes and let us know how it goes. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in our next video. Bye.